to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a Nespresso machine unboxing. For my birthday this year, I was very kindly gifted an Nespresso machine, and I've seen so many of these videos where people set up their coffee machines and their like coffee stations, I suppose, and make them look really aesthetic, a whole little vibe in their kitchen, and that is what I'm going to be doing today. Also, I love Nespresso. I've been using them for literally years. I've loved my machine. She is now broken. We were in need of a new one, and I have a whole set that I'm going to be unboxing in today's video. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I'll have the machine itself, capsules, all of the accessories linked down below for you guys to shop to match with me or to see any other colours that they have available, because they have so many. Nespresso makes making coffee at home so much more fun and seamless than having to go like out to the coffee shop. You can have coffee shop quality coffee, if not better, at home. First things first, I actually have my Nespresso machine here. I got gifted the Vertuo Next and Aerochino 3, and I have this machine in the colour grey, but let me show you guys what it looks like, because this machine is absolutely unreal. This is what the machine looks like. In the box we have the machine itself, a milk frother and 12 coffee capsules. I am so excited. Literally look how good this setup looks. I've never actually had a milk frother either. Inside we have some leaflets. We have a bit about the machine, the manual, and then we have a welcome to Nespresso leaflet. Aerochino 3 milk frother. This looks so good. It's also in grey and black to match the machine. Capsules inside, and then we have the machine. Let's take it out of the box so we can have a proper look. Let's plug it in, let's set it up. I always choose out my own capsule flavours with my other machine, so I'm excited to try out the ones that were given in the box. All the different flavours that are inside and all of the different pods that you can get with this machine. Incomparable coffee experiences. Scan to get started on your coffee journey with Nespresso. Captures the coffee aromas, a large variety of coffees, unique brewing technology and machine connectivity. Brew your coffee without needing to press a button from your own fingertips on your phone. If I'm ordering online, I would typically go for these ones. I love caramello, I love vanilla. These are like my personal Nespresso favourites. I'll leave them on the screen. I have this ceramic jar that I'm going to use to put the capsules inside. I've just added a few accessories, I guess, to make it look cute. I've popped my Jellycat Madeleine on top, and I've also lit a candle. But we have the capsules, brand new machine itself. This looks absolutely stunning. I cannot wait to make a latte in a minute. And of course then we have the milk frother as well. I've lit a candle. This is the Leaves Bath & Body Works candle. The milk frother though is so nice. I love how high quality it looks. I'm just so excited to try this out. I also think there's no better time of the year than to get it ready during autumn and Christmas, because this is the season for hot coffee. At least for me anyways. I'm such an iced coffee person, but when it comes to the colder months, I actually drink a fair bit of warm coffee. I'm gonna grab a mug and we're gonna make a latte. I have just finished unboxing the coffee machine, setting it all up. I've also just made my first latte with my brand new Nespresso machine using the milk frother and everything like that. Oh my goodness, I haven't even tasted it yet, but this just looks absolutely phenomenal. I actually made it in my Le Creuset mug. I actually do have a Nespresso glass mug for like ice drinks, but this was pink and matches the ceramics that I'm using in the setup today. So for the aesthetic purposes of this video, I'm using my pink Le Creuset mug. I frothed the milk to go on top, and it just looks so good. And we're gonna do a taste test. I actually went with the Bianco Doppio capsule and added frothed milk on top. I think I'm really mispronouncing everything. Let's give this a taste test. Oh my gosh, that is good coffee. That is absolutely unreal. I'm so excited to be making my morning coffee like this every morning. I love Nespresso so much. This is definitely a 10 out of 10 for me. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, if you guys enjoyed watching today's video. And let me know if you want to see more videos like this one, because I actually had so much fun making this. I know it's a bit different from my typical content. Comment down below what your go-to latte order is. I love you guys, and I will see you all in my next video.